Hi, good morning, class 5. How are you doing? So everything is fine. You must be all doing good. Well, it's great to see you. Today is Friday. You must be surprised that I have come on Friday, but yes, I'll be doing an English chapter also for you in the later time. So we are done with tsunamis, and we know the precautions of tsunamis also. To higher places we must run away during that when the tsunami comes and all. So now we are going to go to droughts. What are droughts? Droughts are the causes. First I'll read and then I'll explain. Okay. So droughts causes. What are the causes of droughts? Floods occur when there is excess rain, and droughts occur when there is little or no rain. India is an agricultural country and farmers depend on the monsoon rains. When rainfall is delayed or scarce means very less, it leads to drought, which causes scarcity of food. Droughts lead to starvation and death of a large number of people. India has quite a few drought prone regions. Some parts of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Odisha, and Rajasthan are particularly prone to drought. A large number of people die every year because of drought. You can see that picture. What happens to the land? It starts cracking because there is no water at all. Also below there is no water, so the land dries up fully. Precautions: reservoir and water tanks should be built to store water. Farmers should be educated to avoid overgrazing. Rainwater harvesting, which involves collecting rainwater on following rooftops and on the ground for future use, can be very useful. This will help, or this actually helps farmers in case there is no rain. So now I'll just give a basic explanation about it to you, and what is this drought actually. Okay. What type of droughts are there? There is, which is one for rain. It affects the crop production. The conditions arise independently from any change of precipitation in the atmosphere. Drought is brought out when water reserves available in the sources, aquifers, lakes, they finish. The underground water goes down. This is what happened. What are the causes, mechanism, and what do you say? I don't want to make it tough for you. It's this just simple thing that when there is no water, there is no water vapor happening, there is no clouds, and there is no rain. So that's the time these places get totally, and there is no, actually, because of plants and trees. If there are more plants and trees, there will be more rain. So in a desert area like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Odisha, there are a lot of places only plain stones and stones and stones, like Kalahandi is there. People die without malnutrition. They are not getting food, they are dying, and India is a large agricultural country. Everyone depends upon it. So to get saved from droughts, we have to save water. So how do we save water? When it rains, if there is a pond or anything, we make another reservoir. Reservoir is an extra tank under the ground where you store water. So you have to store that rainwater, whatever comes and drains, and when it seeps down, the clear water will come on top of that. Water goes for using for farming. Secondly, rainwater falling on our rooftops, that water also comes down. So we have to also save that somewhere, and when it's falling on the ground, we should make a drain type of thing, so that in a reservoir type where the water will go and slope into it, that also water will be saved. These can be very useful. These are the only things we can say, that when there is no rain or less rain, then droughts can happen. And the areas of droughts are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Odisha, Rajasthan, and particularly prone drought. And people die. Generally people die in this place, and they have a very tough time. Okay, that is done. Now cyclones. What are cyclones? A cyclone is a violent storm in which strong winds move in a circle It is caused by winds which travel at great speed, flattening, destroying everything in their path. Generally, the wind speed is over 100 kilometers per hour. Coastal areas are more prone to cyclone than others. Cyclones uproot trees, electric poles, and destroy houses. It is like a type of when the tsunami comes in, or when a huge hurricane is coming. That water is coming, the winds are coming through. It creates in the ocean. Ocean winds create these cyclones, and it makes this rapid cyclone comes in. Just now one cyclone happened in Kolkata, and before that also once it happened in Madras 2014 or 2012, something like that. And I was traveling from Chennai to back to Kolkata, and that was just after the cyclone. So during the cyclone I was stuck there, and I saw animals hanging on the tree. I saw a cow hanging on the tree. So they are being thrown up. Heavy speed the wind blows. And coastal areas are the place of the sea areas. The sea areas where people are evacuated. People are removed from there. Because of cyclones. Cyclones are very bad. They'll break up anything whichever comes in place of them. Okay. Then another cyclone was there in Mumbai a few days ago. Heavy shower and heavy cyclone was there in Mumbai also. So these are the parts of cyclones which happen certainly only during the sea part. What are the causes of it? How can we try to save ourselves from it? People living in cyclone prone areas should make sure that the roofs of their houses are in good condition. The branches of trees near houses should be trimmed, and an emergency kit containing portable radio with batteries, a torch, some food and water, and a first aid kit and essential medicines should be kept ready. Otherwise, what happens when the cyclone comes? Everything breaks, and after the cyclone, floods has to come, and if there's heavy rain, then floods. So you are getting out of connection. Telephone poles fall off. Network goes out. Calcutta didn't have network for 3-4 days. The network just goes shut down. So everything, the towers and all, waves, internet waves don't come in through, network does not come in through. So you must be very careful. You must keep medicines, food, water is most essential, because water gets contaminated, it gets bad. Drain water mixes with normal water and all that, very bad thing happens. So we are done with this natural disaster part. So natural disasters can be of several types, such as earthquake, volcanoes, floods, tsunami and droughts. Earthquakes cause the surface to tremble and shake and lead to a large scale of destruction. Volcanoes erupt when magma comes to the earth's surface through vents. A flood occurs when the amount of water in a river or stream exceeds its capacity to carry water. Volcanic eruptions, underwater explosions and underwater earthquakes can all generate a tsunami. Droughts occur when there is very little or no rain at all. A cyclone is a violent storm in which strong winds move in a circle. What meanings are there in the book? You can learn them yourself. Tremor, TRAMOR, is a movement in which the ground shakes. A tremor. Focus, the point inside the earth where the earthquake originates, that focus of the earthquake. Epicenter, the point on the earth's surface where the effects of an earthquake are felt most strongly, just above that point, where I told you. Predict is to say something which will happen in future. Vent, the opening of a volcano, and lava is hot liquid falling out from vents. Crater is a bowl shaped hollow form top of the volcano which opens up after the blast. When it throws out, that open part on the top is called the crater. Earthquake result in the shaking, true and false. Earthquake result in the shaking and trembling of the earth's surface. Correct. The effect of an earthquake is weakest at the epicenter. False. Japan is an earthquake prone country. Yes. In India, flooding is common during winter. False. Cyclone is caused by winds moving at great speed. Yes. Match the followings: lava, crater, dormant volcano, extinct volcano, active volcano. Lava is what? Molten magma. Crater is a bowl shaped hollow. Okay. Dormant volcano Which is dormant volcano? You have to tell me. I'll not tell you. Okay. Extinct volcano and active volcano. Three names are here: Mount Fuji, Mount Kilimanjaro, Mount Etna. This you should do yourself. Okay. I don't want to tell you. Choose the correct words to fill up the blanks. Natural disasters are caused by natural forces. Okay. Dash study of the pattern of an earthquake. Seismologists, historians, artists, and doctors. Seismologists study the pattern of an earthquake. Okay, so I'll come back in the next video and I'll do this for you. Okay, don't worry, I'll be right back.